Time for another Temu haul. This is the final one of the year. No more. It's springtime. It's gardening time. I have to seed all my flowers and set up my greenhouse. Lots and lots of things to do. So hopefully, or I know this will take me far. I will not have to shop for a long time. So really short video. Let's see what we got. I think I remember what I bought here. Yeah, that's right. Perfect. Okay, so I bought these plastic containers, or not containers, they're file folder envelopes. I bought some colored ones. How do I open this? Last Temu haul. And I organized my papers, and last time I didn't think I could buy just the clear ones, just a package of the clear ones, but so I got the colored ones with a couple of the clear, but these are all clear, so this is going to be perfect. I can put all my scraps in here, and I bought, let's see, how many are in here? I guess I could just count them, right? 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. So there's 8 per package. And I bought 3 packages. So 24 envelopes. This will be fun to organize. That'll be fun to do in my downtime. Get all my papers organized, because I have just a ton of this stuff, like just these little papers, and they need to go somewhere. It's crazy. Look at, oh my goodness, so pretty. Greenhouse. So lots of fodder as well, and I want that organized. So super happy with these. And then I bought, I'm recovering from a cold. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Velvet ribbon in pink. I love that. Oh, so cute. Totally going to use that in my journal. And another one in yellow. I'm into the yellow and pink thing. Yeah, super cute. I couldn't say no to some stickers. What did I get here? Oh, flowers, right. Oh yeah, when you have a little corner, a little area in your journal and you don't know what to put there, and you can just put some flowers. Ooh, how many are in here? What's that package say? I don't know what it says. Probably 100 of them in here, I would say. 75. Are these cute? Might as well go through all of them. Oh, here's one with some words. Daisy Girl. Don't love that. I'm looking forward to my flowers in my patio, on my patio this summer. And I grow them all by seed. Oh, that one's cute. I like that. Green. There's a little butterfly there too. Cute. And I think, did I buy 2 of the same kind? I don't know. Yeah, I think I did. That's fine. That's okay. I know I'm going to use them. And I'll probably share them with my niece. My niece and my cousin as well. And let's see what else. I thought I bought more, but I guess not. Super excited about these. Saw these last time. I thought, oh, I don't need them. I'll just get these other ones instead. Well, I went back to the cart and I said, okay, you guys are going in the cart. And yeah, no regrets. They're just, I don't know, they're just so cute, right? Go fish. I haven't played that since I was a kid. I have no idea how many years ago that was, and I don't even know how to play Go Fish. But let's look at the pictures. Or the Go Fish, Go Fish, Go Fish. Nice and bright. I like that. Well, here's the instructions. Oh, they're cute. I think that's a blowfish. Octopus, crab, starfish, angelfish. What's this guy? Nemo? No, Finding Nemo. What kind of fish is he? I don't know what a fish is. And then it repeats again. Yeah, those are cute. And I just love the different colors. So, you know, if you're doing a yellow page one day or some pink or yellow and pink, Go Fish has got you covered. Okay. And then Old Maid. How do you play Old Maid? I should play with these before I start sticking them in my thing. In my Old Maid. Oh man, these are so cute. There's the Old Maid. The postman. The captain. The seaman. Postman, the captain, the seaman. Let's see. Gardener. This is awesome. I have a gardener for my gardening book. Designer. I love designing. I mean, don't we all? Us like crafty people. The reporter. The police. My dad was a policeman. I'm going to use that on a page about him. Another gardener. A clown. Engineer. A cook. Fisherman. A firefighter. An athlete. The barber. The scientist. Singer. I love that. A lawyer. Magician. Scientist. It repeats in the last set. Astronaut. Waitress. A painter. That's me too. And a doctor. And then, of course, it repeats again. So I'm really happy with this haul. Super small. And it'll take me through the summer and into the winter. No more buying. I think I'll be good. I'll be good for a while. So flowers. And then we've got... This is pretty thin. It's not bad. It's not like I'm making a garment out of it. But no, I'm happy with these. These will be great for embellishments. And then, of course, the big envelopes for paper. So that'll be perfect. Maybe I'll just put some paper in one of these. Oh, I just noticed this. That's good. You can have your topic in here, like Christmas or something like that, right? Here, it's a copy of a doily. I was scared that this was going to be A4 size, like British or European A4, which I think is a teeny bit smaller than letter size. But it fits perfectly. And does it have a gusset on here? Hang on. Nope, that's fine. But it has the holes here. I could put it in a binder if I want. And these are super easy to close. Oh, yes. I'm really happy with this haul. Okay. Hope you enjoyed that. Have an awesome day, and we will see you again. Bye.